Good morning and a very warm welcome to PUNGKOOK Saigon 2 Corporation. On behalf of our management team and all employees, we are delighted to have you with us today. This presentation will introduce our company, our manufacturing network, our people, and our commitment to compliance and sustainability. We hope it will give you a clear overview of how PUNGKOOK Saigon 2 operates and how we continue to improve our business responsibly. Thank you for taking the time to visit us, and we hope you enjoy the presentation. Before we begin, I would like to briefly explain the emergency evacuation procedure for this meeting room on the first floor. In the event of an alarm, please remain calm, stop all activities, and listen carefully to the instructions from our safety team. Follow the green arrows and exit signs to the nearest safe exit. Please use the stairs to reach the ground floor and do not use the elevator during a fire emergency. If it is safe, please support visitors or colleagues who may need assistance, but do not delay your own evacuation. After leaving the building, proceed directly to the designated assembly point and remain there until the safety team gives further instructions. Your safety is always our highest priority. Today's presentation is organized into 8 main sections. First, we will review PUNGKOOK's history and business growth. Next, we will introduce our organization structure, key business partners, and manufacturing locations. We will then present the major certificates and compliance systems that support our operations. After that, we will focus on sustainability, including employee welfare, workforce management, energy, water, waste, and renewable energy. We will also share some of our achievements and employee engagement activities. Finally, we will conclude with a short video showing factory activities. The presentation contains 30 slides and mainly focuses on our ESG performance and priorities for 2026. PUNGKOOK has established a strong manufacturing footprint across Vietnam. PUNGKOOK Saigon 2, founded in 2001, is one of our key production sites and currently employs approximately 3,753 people. It manufactures outdoor, travel, and handbag products. PUNGKOOK Saigon 3 was established in 2007 and focuses on sports and fashion products. PUNGKOOK Mai Tho and PUNGKOOK Ben Tre were both established in 2011, serving outdoor and handbag product categories. June Saigon has operated since 2004 and specializes in outdoor products. PUNGKOOK Long On, established in 2015, is another outdoor production facility. Together, these factories allow us to provide specialized production capabilities, flexible capacity, and reliable support for different customer requirements throughout Vietnam. In addition to Vietnam, PUNGKOOK has expanded its manufacturing network into Indonesia and Myanmar. PUNGKOOK Indonesia 1 was established in 2013 and produces sports and outdoor products. PUNGKOOK Indonesia 2 began operations in 2016 and is currently our largest site in the region, with approximately 9,838 employees, producing handbags, sports, and outdoor products. PUNGKOOK Myanmar was established in 2017 and focuses on handbag and travel products. Across the regional manufacturing network, PUNGKOOK employs about 25,000 workers. Our maximum monthly capacity is approximately $50 million, and our annual capacity exceeds $600 million. This regional network strengthens our production flexibility, business continuity, and ability to support global customers. This slide introduces the location of PUNGKOOK Saigon 2 Corporation, or PK2. Our company is located at number 2A, Road number 8, Song Than 1 Industrial Park, Dien Ward, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. This location is part of the Southeast Asian manufacturing region and offers convenient access to major transportation routes, logistics services, and supporting industries. The site includes both our head office and our main production facility. The telephone and fax details are provided on the slide for reference. From this location, PK2 coordinates production, human resources, safety, environmental management, compliance, and customer support activities. PUNGKOOK Corporation has a long history of development and international expansion. The company started in Korea in 1966. In 1992, PUNGKOOK established its manufacturing presence in Vietnam, which later became a key production base for the group. We continued our regional expansion by entering Indonesia in 2013 and Myanmar in 2017. Today, our manufacturing network supports the long-term growth of outdoor, travel, sports, fashion, and handbag products. The chart also reflects the development of our business over time and our ability to adapt to changes in the global market. As we move toward 2026, Vietnam remains an important strategic base, while our regional facilities work together to provide capacity, quality, and responsible manufacturing for our customers. This slide summarizes PUNGKOOK's recent business performance and market position. The revenue chart shows significant long-term growth, reaching $522 million in 2025, with a 2026 target of approximately $570 million. In the outdoor business, PUNGKOOK ranked among the top 3 suppliers in 2025, and we aim to maintain this position in 2026. In the overall business category, we are also recognized among the top 10 suppliers serving major buyers. These results reflect the trust of our customers, the capability of our employees, and our continued investment in quality, productivity, innovation, compliance, and sustainability. Our goal is not only to grow in size, but also to grow responsibly and consistently. PUNGKOOK works with a broad and diverse portfolio of international customers. Across the corporation, we currently support more than 80 brands in the outdoor, sports, travel, fashion, and handbag industries. Working with many global brands requires us to meet different product specifications, quality standards, delivery expectations, and codes of conduct. It also gives us opportunities to learn from international best practices and continuously improve our systems. We value long-term partnerships based on transparency, reliable performance, responsible manufacturing, and mutual growth. The logos shown on this slide represent the diversity and strength of our customer network. This slide presents the Human Resources and Sustainability Organization at PK2 for 2026. The department is led by our HR manager, Ms. Ngoc An, with support from the assistant manager, Ms. Huyen. The team includes specialists responsible for payroll, social insurance, recruitment, canteen services, labor discipline, health and safety, and environmental management. Compliance is a fundamental part of our management system. PK2 maintains a wide range of certifications and assessment programs covering labor, environment, chemicals, materials, safety, and responsible sourcing. These include RSL, SLCP, GRS ISO, HIG, Labs, Fairtrade, ZDHC InCheck, SEDEX Better Work, and other customer or industry programs. Each certificate represents specific requirements, but together they demonstrate that our systems are regularly reviewed against recognized standards. Maintaining these certifications requires continuous training, documentation, internal control, corrective action, and external verification. More importantly, we do not view certification as only a document. We use these standards as practical tools to improve working conditions, product safety, environmental performance, and customer confidence. PUNGKOOK Saigon 2 has received recognition in several important areas. Our achievements include environmental awards, fire safety awards, Green Book recognition, and awards related to social insurance implementation. These recognitions reflect the daily efforts of our employees and management teams to maintain high standards in safety, environmental protection, legal compliance, and employee welfare. We also contribute to the community, including support for the Association of Vietnamese Victims of Agent Orange and Dioxin. While awards are valuable, we see them mainly as encouragement to continue improving. Our long-term objective is to create positive value for employees, customers, local communities, and the environment. Internal training is essential for building awareness and ensuring that our standards are applied consistently. Through these programs, we raise awareness of labor law, social insurance, security, fire prevention, environmental protection, waste reduction, and energy conservation. Training is not treated as a one-time activity. It is reinforced through daily supervision, communication, and practical exercises. PUNGKOOK Saigon 2 also participates actively in external training programs provided by customers, authorities, industry organizations, and technical partners. In 2024, our teams joined 35 courses covering topics such as labs, HIG-FEM, new VF standards, on-running programs, GI's climate action, and SMETA. In 2025, we joined 17 specialized courses, including ZDHC Strategic Supplier Training, Net Zero Strategies, updates to Vietnamese chemical law, lockout and tagout, electrical safety, insurance law, wage regulations, pathway to megaton, and RSL and MRSL management. These external programs help us stay updated on new regulations, customer expectations, and technical practices, and allow us to bring new knowledge back into our internal systems. Employee welfare is one of our core priorities. PK2's minimum wage is 5,966,000 Vietnamese dong, which is higher than the legal minimum wage of 5,310,000 dong. In addition to basic salary, all workers receive several allowances, including housing, production, and compliance allowances. Other support may include childcare, multi-skill allowances, job-related allowances, and performance incentives. Employees also receive annual bonuses, including a 13th month salary, and additional bonuses for Victory Day and Independence Day. Each employee is entitled to 14 annual leave days, with 1 additional day added for every 5 years of service, as well as 11 public holidays. These benefits are designed to support employee stability, motivation, and long-term engagement with the company. PK2 fully implements compulsory social insurance, health insurance, and unemployment insurance for eligible employees. Payments are made accurately, completely, and on time in accordance with Vietnamese law. The company contributes a total of 21.5%, including 17.5% for social insurance, 3% for health insurance, and 1% for unemployment insurance. Employees contribute a total of 10.5%. This system provides important protection for employees in areas such as healthcare, sickness, maternity, occupational accidents, retirement, and unemployment. Correct and timely insurance payment is both a legal responsibility and an important part of our commitment to employee welfare. This slide reviews our workforce indicators and priorities for 2026. Employee numbers changed from 3,982 in 2023 to 3,879 in 2025, with a 2026 plan of approximately 3,700 workers. At the same time, the absenteeism rate improved from 3.83% in 2024 to 2.56% in 2025, with a target of 2.5% in 2026. The turnover rate also improved and is targeted to remain at 1.3%. To support these goals, we will enhance skill training, diversify recruitment channels, and strengthen cooperation with vocational schools and manpower agencies. We will improve onboarding materials, build our company image through CSR activities, and use attendance awards, incentives, and database management to reduce absence. These actions aim to create a stable, capable, and engaged workforce. This slide presents the average net income of employees in 2025. Employee income is an important indicator of workforce welfare and business stability. We monitor income not only as a payroll figure, but also as part of our effort to provide fair compensation, maintain employee motivation, and support retention. The final amount may vary depending on position, skill level, attendance, overtime, allowances, and performance incentives. By improving productivity, developing employee skills, and maintaining stable orders, we aim to support sustainable income growth while continuing to meet customer requirements and business objectives. Energy and water efficiency are major parts of our environmental program. In 2025, electricity consumption decreased by 3.6% compared with the previous year, while water consumption decreased by 0.67%. For 2026, PK2 has set a further reduction target of 3% for electricity and 2% for water, compared with 2025. Our long-term 2030 target, using 2024 as the baseline, is to reduce electricity consumption by 18% and water consumption by 12%. To achieve these goals, we monitor usage data, identify abnormal consumption, maintain equipment, improve operating practices, and promote employee awareness. These targets help reduce environmental impact, control operating costs, and contribute to our broader climate and sustainability commitments. One practical water-saving program at PK2 is rainwater harvesting. Collected rainwater is reused for toilet flushing and roof cooling, which reduces the demand for clean water. The system has a maximum collection capacity of 141 cubic meters on a rainy day. In 2025, PK2 collected a total of 6,038 cubic meters of rainwater. This program demonstrates how a simple infrastructure solution can produce measurable environmental benefits. We will continue to maintain the system, monitor collected volumes, and identify opportunities to increase rainwater use where technically and hygienically appropriate. PK2 manages waste through controlled collection, storage, transfer, and reporting processes. All waste is handled by properly licensed subcontractors. Domestic waste and industrial waste are collected daily, while hazardous waste is collected monthly with the required legal delivery documents. We also prepare annual reports on hazardous waste collection, transportation, and treatment. Separate storage areas are provided for hazardous waste, industrial waste, and domestic waste to prevent mixing and reduce environmental risks. These controls help ensure that waste is managed safely, legally, and transparently from the point of generation until final treatment or recycling. This slide explains the domestic waste treatment process. Waste bins are placed throughout the factory and surrounding park areas. Cleaning staff collect the waste and move it to the designated storage location. Every day, the waste is transferred to BUAS, a licensed domestic waste collection and treatment company. At the treatment facility, suitable organic components are processed into organic fertilizer. This process ensures that domestic waste does not remain at the factory for long periods, and that it is treated through an approved system. It also supports resource recovery by converting part of the waste into useful products. Industrial waste from production is separated so that recyclable materials can be transferred to suitable recycling plants. These materials include plastic and nylon rings, buckles, hooks, nylon bags, thread spool cores, paper tubes, cartons, fabric scraps, webbing, and thread. Fabric, nylon, webbing, and thread waste can be processed into plastic granules for manufacturers of household plastic products. Waste paper and damaged cardboard can be converted into pulp and paper rolls for paper production. The images show several steps and outputs of the recycling process, including blending equipment, plastic granules, paper pulp, and paper rolls. By improving waste separation and recycling, PK2 reduces disposal volumes, supports the circular use of materials, and improves resource efficiency. PK2 has also invested in renewable energy through a rooftop solar system with a capacity of 208 kilowatt peak. In 2025, the system generated 220,943 kilowatt hours of electricity. This renewable generation reduced approximately 145.65 tons of carbon dioxide emissions. Rooftop solar helps us reduce dependence on conventional grid electricity during daylight hours and supports our greenhouse gas reduction objectives. We continue to monitor system performance and maintain the equipment to ensure safe and efficient operation. This project is one practical contribution to our long-term energy and climate strategy. Employee engagement at PK2 focuses on safety, health, environmental awareness, teamwork, and employee well-being. Through emergency drills, cultural events, health programs, team-building activities, and employee support initiatives, we create a positive workplace where people feel safe, valued, connected, and motivated to contribute to both the company and the community. This concludes our introduction to PUNGKOOK Saigon 2 Corporation. Thank you very much for your attention and for taking the time to learn about our company, our employees, and our sustainability efforts. We are proud of the progress we have made, and we remain committed to continuous improvement, responsible manufacturing, and strong long-term partnerships. We hope this presentation has provided useful information, and we would be pleased to answer any questions you may have. Thank you, and we wish you a pleasant visit to PUNGKOOK Saigon 2.